Hello my dear students, this video is the continuation of chapter number 8, Women, Caste and Reform. Students, as you have studied in the previous video that in the chapter we are discussing regarding the social reforms, and social reforms consist of mainly the reforms related to the women as well as and the caste system. So in the previous video you have seen the various social evils which were there in the society. After that we had seen that how the reform movement started, mainly from which part of India? Mainly from the region of Bengal. And the earliest social reformer was the Raja Ram Mohan Roy, who was also said to be the father of modern India. And another social reformers from the region of Bengal was Ishwarchand Vidyasagar. Now students, we will move further and we will see that how the reform movement spread to other parts of the country from Bengal region. So reform movement in other parts. Now in other parts we study regarding the Mahadev Govind Ranade, who belonged to the region of Maharashtra. Therefore he bring a social reform in the region of Maharashtra. Mahadev Govind Ranade, he did the reform movement in the region of Maharashtra, and he founded two societies for bringing the social reform. One was the Widow Remarriage Association. The association worked for the remarriages of the widows who were there in the region of Maharashtra. Another society was Deccan Education Society, who worked for the education, for bringing the educational reform in India, mainly the region of Maharashtra, for both men as well as the women. Apart from establishing both these society and the association, he was also the active member of one of the association which was named as the Pratna Samaj. Pratna Samaj was established in the region of Bombay in year 1867. This question can be asked as an objective question in various competitive exams. Like when Pratna Samaj was established, so it was established in 1867. In which region it was established? It was founded in the region of Bombay. Okay. Now what was the purpose of this Pratna Samaj? What it did? What the work he did? So he did the work of removing the caste restrictions which were there in the society, in removing the caste discrimination from the society. It also worked for the abolition of the child marriages, because at that time this was one of the very common social evil, that the children were married at a very early age. Third reform was the encouraging women education, and for that they established also this Deccan Education Society. This was established by Mahadev Ranade. Then it worked also for the widows remarriage. So caste restriction, widow remarriage, stopping child marriages, and the fourth one was the encouraging then the education of the women. All these were the purposes of the Pratna Samaj. And Mahadev Ranade was the active member of this society. Whenever the meeting of the Pratna Samaj occurred, then in the meeting they discuss about the various religious texts like that of the Hindu, Buddhist and the Christian texts, and from there they took up the verses to show to the society that the things which you are doing, the social evil which you are practicing, are nowhere mentioned in the religious texts. So in the meeting they read all the religious texts and discuss on those, and with the help of those texts, religious texts, they work on bringing the social reforms in the society. So now students, after Mahadev Govind Ranade, another personality who did the work of the social reform was Swami Dayanand Saraswati ji. What he did, he also took up the same method. He believed so much in the Vedas, and he did the same method. He took up the verses from the Vedas to show to the people that the social evils which you are practicing have nowhere mentioned in the religious text. He believed in Vedas, and he was having the view that these Vedas, these ancient legal texts, consist of the solution of all the social problems which are there in the society. He was also against the untouchability, child marriages, and the women's subjugations. Women's subjugation means lower status of the women. And he founded the society Arya Samaj. Remember, the question can be asked in various competitive exam. Who was the founder of Arya Samaj? So, Swami Dayanand Saraswati ji. Where the Arya Samaj was established? Firstly, it was established in Bombay region, and from there it spread to other parts of the country, have the branches in various parts of the country, like in the region of Punjab. Arya Samaj schools are there. The main purpose of Arya Samaj was to opening up number of schools for men as well as for the women. So Arya Samaj was established in 1875. Okay. Apart from opening various schools, providing the education for the people of India, for Indians, it also did the same social reforms which were done by the other social reformer, like that of Mahadev Govind Ranade. Arya Samaj also worked for the removing the caste restriction, in the abolition of child marriage, encouraged the women education as well as the widow remarriage. Apart from that, it is opened number of schools in the region of Pune, means Maharashtra state, Bombay, and here in North India, Punjab region, all these regions. Like in the region of Pune, the branch of Arya Samaj was opened up, and the work for it was done by Jyotiba Phule ji. Okay. So this is about the reform movement in other part of the country. After that, we will study how the reform movement was brought up by the women at that time. Thank you.